Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist David Paul. About 2 p.m. on our Sunday as we track some wet weather on the way to the Wiregrass and then some cold air that's in sight. Not so much for this week, it will be cold, but the following week some really cold air likely moving in. Let's begin with a check on the satellite picture across the south, looking at quite a few clouds now moving in for the afternoon hours and into the evening hours on Sunday after some morning sunshine. Northward, that white is mainly snow on the ground, northern parts of Georgia and Alabama through Tennessee, all the way up there through the Midwest. As we look at the radar, there are some showers kind of mixing in with that cloud cover around New Orleans, for example, through Louisiana towards Houston, southward into the Gulf of Mexico. Quite a few showers out there, and we'll see the showers move in our direction as we go through the overnight. Let's check out temperatures at this hour. It's a cool one on our Sunday. Only 47 in Dothan as of 2 p.m., 48 there in Eufaula, 47 in Troy, 52 in Chipley, 51 in Panama City. That rain is on the way. Here's a look at the future radar as we go through time. This evening into the overnight, the showers approaching. That's at midnight, so some light showers moving in late this evening and overnight as well. Some light showers all the way through 6 a.m. In fact, most of the area likely wet as you head off to work and school on your Monday. Most of the shower activity starting to fade by midday. I'll stop it there at noontime on Monday. The showers kind of winding down to some sprinkles, getting out of here for the afternoon hours, and then pretty quiet as we go through Tuesday and Wednesday with a little more sun to return and some chilly air. Let me show you the big view here of what unfolds over the next couple weeks. That white to the north is the Arctic air, and it will be making a push after push into the U.S. That's some really cold air for next weekend. And then that following week, some of that colder air likely spilling into the deep south. And that is something that we will be watching closely as we go through time. Short term, 40s for highs, lower 50s today. For the overnight, low temperatures in the 30s, so all rain for Monday morning. Midweek turning a little bit cooler. That's Tuesday morning, lower 30s for lows. We'll go into Wednesday morning, lower 30s for lows, so freezing air for the most part. Same thing on Thursday. Warming up then going into the weekend. In fact, on Saturday, most areas peaking, check this out, middle to upper 60s. Some showers and a few thunderstorms coming in Saturday. And then we'll watch that cold weather come in next week. That's next Sunday. Cool again, really turning cold for Monday, and then by next Tuesday morning, the 21st of January, widespread middle to upper 20s, likely gets colder by Wednesday morning. Low temperatures, middle 20s to lower 20s, similar to what we saw this morning, and then going towards Thursday morning, that's the 23rd of January, low temperatures again into the middle 20s. We had cold air today, there's more cold air in sight. The question is, will we get any snow from that system early in next week? And there are some indications in some of the models that it could happen over parts of the south, so something worth watching. I'm not getting really excited about any snow chances here yet, but the cold air does come in next week, early next week. So if there's any moisture that happens to roll in from the Gulf of Mexico, say next Monday, Tuesday, then we will be watching for the potential of some winter precip somewhere in the south. But certainly cold for next week and certainly wet for your Monday morning, so be prepared. That's a check on the weather. I'll see you this week.